Okay, so today's just a quick video on how to get the UE4 Mannequin with animation into LightWave. What I am doing today is I'm in Unreal Engine and I've converted a bunch of Mixamo animations over to the Unreal Engine 4 Mannequin. And I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description because I do use a plugin for that, but it's just so fast. And so I've actually brought in I've converted 44 animations today, Mixamo animations. So I'll just get this one here, let's say kneeling down. And let's say if I drag it onto the scene and I hit play here, you'll see all these animations are working just fine in here. It's great, really. Okay, so I'll hit escape. But let's say I want to get this one into LightWave. So all I have to do is right click, go to Asset Action, Export, and I'll just call it kneeling down. I've done this a couple times. I did find a little quirk. By default, collision is on. It'll be on, so turn it off. You don't want the collision mesh. And then by default, the export preview mesh will be off, and so turn it on. And then simply go export. And it just exports in a GIF. And then we'll come into LightWave now, and we'll go to the in-out interchange here, which this really changed my life in LightWave because before I had a heck of a time getting animations in, and once I started using this, I didn't have that much trouble. So I'm going to just unload, and then I'm going to go read that file that I just brought in, the kneeling down one there. And we'll go open, and we'll go OK, and then we'll click that button to import it. Now there's one glitch I've noticed is that do not change the frame rate down here. Just leave it there. For some reason when you change that to 0, it'll mess it up. So don't change that. And then what we can do is just go into the surface editor and we can change it from standard materials to principled BSDF. And then we can go ahead and bring in a ground plane here like that. So he has something to stand on, and then we can just zoom back in, and like I said, we can switch. It's going to be hard to see it in VPR, so because it's rendering. So, but if I just hit play, you'll see of course I got to lift him off the ground plane a little bit there. He's in, but essentially that's the animation. And then if I come in here to VPR, it looks very good, I think. It looks pretty good. So let me zoom in a little bit closer here. And of course there's some things that we can do to work with the materials a little bit there. There's some specularity there. But overall I think it looks pretty darn good. And it gets you going. It gets you into the ballpark. So anyway, that's all I had for today. I'll talk to you next time.